Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're looking at a new listing, 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, just over 200 engine hours, recently serviced, fully loaded with pretty much every option you can possibly get. Bow shade, stern shade, electronics. This boat's unique in the fact it has the full height coupe version with AC. We'll hop on board here and going a little bit further. Up here in the bow of this gorgeous 320 Sundancer, we do have the windlass anchor package, spotlight, bow table off to the starboard side would drop right into that fitting. Nice forward bow lounger, armrest, headrest do go up and down, and as you can see, all the upholstery is in about perfect condition. Stereo control off to the starboard side. And this boat's very unique in the fact that it does have the full coupe enclosure with the sliding window right here, opening vents, radar up on the hardtop. We have a nice pass-through leading into the helm area. Standing here at the helm, upgraded Simrad screens, Fusion audio, all of your Vocatech switching, auto trim tabs, keeping the boat level, spotlight, Mercury throttles, joystick with the skyhook capability, which is currently engaged. Great line of sight looking forward from the helm. And then this is where the boat really shines. We have an awesome area for entertainment and conversation. This backrest here flips back and forth. As you can see, the rest of the upholstery is in perfect condition. Nice wet bar, sink, grill, refrigeration, and a trash can. Cockpit AC, with your thermostat right there. Electric sunshade off the back. Triple 250 Mercs, low hours, great condition, recently serviced. Again, this is a beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, listed with Bryan McGlynn, MarineMax Stuart. Feel free to give me a call direct on my cell. I'd be happy to answer any other questions. 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.